Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of Waysoft boots from Amazon. They are similar to Ugg Australia, but obviously not the same, but almost same. So let's show you. I already have one background and this one are chestnut color. So they come in box like this, and then show you. Here they are. Ta-da! So I ordered chestnut color, short, like classic, like Ugg short, and they come with these inserts. And they look really similar to Ugg Australia. Quality wise they are very similar too. They are made from nice sheepskin, as you can see. Actually nice and sturdy, not like super thin. See, nice sheepskin. And inside looks like this. So they also have nice layer of fur inside. They're not so thin like last pair of my shoes from Ugg Australia. Yeah, they are nice and thick, and inside there's all the furs all the way, and the sole looks different than in Ugg because it's different design. I got them in size 10, woman 10, because size 9 is slightly tight. But normally I also get Uggs in 10 size, but they even slightly too big because I tried them on. And here is another one. Here. So yeah, very nice boots. I don't have any brand logo at the heel, if you're wondering, and they look really similar to Ugg Australia. Here, thickness, very nice. Nice and fluffy. And sole is also nice and fluffy. These were more expensive than the brown ones, because brown ones were on sale when I got them, and these ones were not. So I can try them on and see how they fit. Yeah, fit very nice. I will show you. So I show you what to show you. Maybe here, this way. here we are. This is how they look. Very similar to the Ugg Australia. Yeah. So really nice. And this is like a different angle. See? I'm wearing them with Victoria's Secret pink joggers. I really like these joggers. My favorite lately. So yeah, that's how they look. Full body image. I really like them. Yay! So if you want to get this classic color of Uggs, then go and buy them from cheaper company, Waysoft on Amazon, and then you pay smaller price. Quality is the same, fit is the same. This is how they look without bare legs. And here is my setup in those Uggs from Waysoft. Very nice shoes. You can sit like this on the chair, and they can be as house slippers or they can be worn outside. So yeah, really nice. Look. Hope you can see how they look. I like sitting here on this chair because it has nice function. It can be it can be swiveling and swinging and legs up. Or down, and in winter you can wear those nice shoes like this. Okay, bye. Okay, that's it for my video today. Hope you enjoy such videos. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye!